Inside this thermodynamic forge, raw high-tensile steel is weaponized to create the unbreakable backbone of an earth-moving leviathan. Blinding plasma arcs carve through heavy-gauge steel, forging the indestructible foundation of the front and rear chassis. Immense crushing pressure bends armored steel into a monolithic shield, built to withstand catastrophic impacts in the world's most hostile quarries.
Automated precision fuses the heavy steel plates, creating a reinforced dump body designed to carry 40 tons of brutal payload without flinching.
Solid steel is violently carved with micromillimeter precision, forging the critical oscillation joint that grants this monster its legendary agility.
Lethal precision etches the structural anchor points, engineering a framework where failure is mathematically impossible. Microscopic acoustic scans guarantee the steel skeleton will never rupture under the crushing weight of a maximum payload.
The two halves of the Leviathan are brought together. The articulated joint is aligned, linking raw power with unstoppable traction.
Massive steel pins lock the joint with extreme torque, granting the chassis the ability to twist and conquer brutal terrain.
The indestructible backbone is forged. The skeletal structure of the off-road predator awaits its organs of power.
The mechanical beast receives its heart, a gargantuan V12 turbocharged diesel engine engineered to generate earth-shattering torque.
The powerhouse is anchored to the steel skeleton with extreme torque, locking it down to prevent catastrophic vibration.
Steel-braided vanes are connected, preparing to pump high-pressure combustible fuel through the machine's core.
The heavy-duty transmission is mated to the engine, forging a precise gatekeeper to control the devastating flow of rotational energy.
Massive drive shafts are locked into place, engineering a brutal drivetrain that guarantees absolute six-wheel traction.
A labyrinth of hydraulic vanes is routed through the chassis, channeling devastating pressure to lift the 40-ton payload.
Catastrophic safety valves are locked into the hydraulic vault, containing the volatile, high-pressure fluid within safe tolerances.
Solid steel hydraulic rams are pounded into position, the very muscles that will violently heave the earth.
Volumetric sensors are laser calibrated to deliver lethal hydraulic force with absolute, unrelenting accuracy.
The organs of power are integrated, a maze of raw mechanical violence, waiting to be electrified.
The digital brain is locked into its armored vault, a rugged command center engineered to orchestrate devastating mechanical precision. High-voltage electrical vanes are connected, preparing to channel monumental energy from the alternators to the core.
Titanium sensors penetrate the engine block, feeding microsecond diagnostic data to the central intelligence.
The digital nervous system spans the massive oscillation joint, clad in ballistic armor to survive constant twisting and grinding.
Magnetic contactors are forged into the grid, engineered to control the violent electrical surges of heavy machinery.
The shatterproof digital interface is embedded into the cockpit, the only point of communication between operator and Leviathan.
Gyroscopic inclination sensors are laser calibrated, ensuring the beast maintains absolute balance on lethal gradients.
The entire digital brain is hermetically sealed, rendering it invincible to caustic mud, freezing rain, and abrasive dust.
The electrical grid awakens. The machine breathes raw current for the first time, its digital eyes snapping open.
The nervous system is online. Artificial intelligence executes catastrophic failure simulations with uncompromising speed.
The steel sanctuary is pounded onto heavy-duty shock isolators, built to absorb catastrophic impacts in relentless vibration.
The heavy-duty steering linkages are integrated, engineered to wrench massive off-road tires through deep, suffocating mud. The massive armored hood is locked in place, providing a solid shield for the violently breathing turbocharged diesel core. Its identity is permanently scarred into the steel, a badge of absolute, uncompromising industrial supremacy.
Brute force meets microscopic refinement. The exhaust stack is polished to a blinding, mirror-like perfection before the black suit claims it. Solid steel stairs are pounded into place, giving the operator an indestructible path to climb the mechanical beast. Shatterproof ballistic glass is embedded, providing a direct, unfiltered visual of the terrifying terrain ahead.
Every millimeter of the steel fortress is scrutinized. Only absolute structural perfection is permitted to leave the line.
The armored Leviathan is sealed, a masterpiece of heavy-duty engineering, waiting to be unleashed upon the Earth. To conquer hostile Earth, the Leviathan demands gargantuan, multi-ton rubber claws. Thick, steel-reinforced rubber is wrestled onto the heavy-duty rims, binding unstoppable traction to the metal core.
The massive wheel assembly is slammed onto the hub, a violent marriage of steel and vulcanized rubber. Colossal pneumatic impact guns lock the multi-ton wheels down with terrifying, bone-crushing torque. Lethal volumes of high-pressure air forcefully seat the massive rubber bead, readying the beast to carry a 40-ton payload. The massive articulation joints are suffocated in industrial grease, ensuring the chassis can twist smoothly through suffocating mud. Heavy-duty differentials are engaged, a labyrinth of raw steel teeth designed to transfer catastrophic torque to the Earth. The cables release. The multi-ton Leviathan violently drops onto its own claws, finally feeling the crushing weight of gravity.
Gargantuan rubber lugs, engineered to tear through hostile terrain and rip traction from liquid mud.
Massive hydraulic steering comes alive, capable of wrenching tons of steel and rubber through the most unforgiving landscapes. The Leviathan is sealed inside the torture chamber, preparing to face simulated Armageddon.
Subjected to catastrophic Arctic conditions, the steel beast is frozen solid to test the resilience of its vital fluids. A high-velocity sandstorm is unleashed, attempting to choke the engine and strip the armor with relentless abrasion. Choked by abrasive dust, the massive turbocharged heart violently ignites, refusing to die. Catastrophic seismic vibrations simulate a lifetime of brutal quarry hauling. The monolithic chassis absorbs every devastating blow.
Digital telemetry pushes the massive oscillation joint into the red zone, hunting for catastrophic structural failure.
Lethal hydraulic force is unleashed, violently heaving a maximum payload against the crushing weight of gravity.
Microscopic laser scans hunt for weakness in the hydraulic armor. The high-pressure seals remain absolutely impenetrable.
Having survived simulated hell, the armored beast emerges unscathed, its dominance proven. Certified for absolute destruction, the Earth-moving Leviathan earns its right to conquer the global frontline.
The thermodynamic fortress is unleashed from the forge, rolling into the blinding reality of the frontline.
The heavy-duty drivetrain engages. Lethal torque is violently channeled to all 6 colossal wheels.
Plunging into liquid earth, the Leviathan immediately faces the suffocating brutality of the testing grounds.
The massive oscillation joint twists with agonizing flexibility, keeping all 6 multi-ton tires pinned to the hostile surface.
Gargantuan rubber claws violently shred the earth, hunting for absolute, uncompromising traction.
The turbocharged heart violently screams under maximum load, hauling 40 tons of raw steel up a seemingly impossible gradient. Lethal momentum is instantly arrested by the massive, oil-cooled retarder, preventing catastrophic runaway on the descent. The hydraulic muscles extend to their absolute limits, violently discharging the crushing weight of the Earth.
The armored vault slams shut, ready to consume another devastating payload.
Engineered to dominate the most hostile environments on Earth, the ultimate off-road predator. The battle scars of the proving grounds are violently blasted away. The armored Leviathan is cleansed for global deployment. Lethal water pressure strips away the hostile Earth, exposing the indestructible mechanical core beneath. The multi-ton thermodynamic fortress is lowered onto a heavy-duty transport, preparing for its final transcontinental journey. Bound by massive forged steel chains, the beast is locked into place with unbreakable tension, secured against the violent forces of transit.
Its coordinates are locked. The Earth-moving Leviathan is manifested for global dispatch to the most hostile environments.
Logistical titans mobilize the heavy-duty cargo,
dragging absolute extraction dominance out onto the global supply chain.
An army of thermodynamic fortresses marching toward the coast, waiting to conquer the world's most demanding mega projects.
Hoisted into the sky by gargantuan port cranes, the fleet prepares to cross the most hostile oceans on Earth.
Loaded into massive floating steel vaults, an army of off-road predators waits in the darkness. Sealed in darkness, the beast is unleashed, built to dominate, engineered to destroy the impossible.